The Tru-Cut reel mower, reel type mower. So you have a reel type blade. Has a 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton, older model. I'll start this thing up. I started it up yesterday, first time in a long time. So I'm gonna start it up again now. It's cold to the touch all the way around. It's pretty noisy when it gets started up. So I'll explain the lever. When you start it up, it'll idle, sit still. To engage the blade and make it spin, you'll push the lever down. That'll start the blade spinning. The other lever is to engage the self-drive. I don't push it all the way in because this thing will run away from you. So what I do is I just hold it down enough to let it engage and keep my hand on it, keep it going. And when I'm ready for it to stop, I just let off. This doesn't work. I just keep it all the way back. And if I need more or less power, I adjust the screw. So I'm going to start it up, pull in the choke. And here we go. I'm sorry, let me get this off of here. This is stop mode. Turn it on. Engage the blade. And that's it.